you're 18 and you're losing hair, and it's important at a young age to realize that there are important steps that can be done to prevent further hair loss. I've seen patients even as young as 15 or 16 with strong family histories that have had pretty significant hair loss with miniaturization and hair thinning. So the key is prevention at your age. At 18, you're just on the cusp of an age that I would feel comfortable possibly writing finasteride or Propecia. But generally, I like to wait till people are into their 20s, just to kind of get fully through puberty and fully developed. Keep in mind that there are potential side effects from going on Propecia or finasteride, and it would be something that you would have to speak with your doctor about, and also do a lot of research, such as sexual side effects, depression, anxiety. There are a whole host of things called post-finasteride syndrome. Some other things to consider are platelet-rich plasma injection therapy, which I've done for many of my patients in a similar age range, and also laser light therapy. All three of those things are great preventatives. Now, from a styling standpoint, there are great thickening agents, and I would also consider and encourage you to maybe get some keratin fibers such as Topic, or Kabuki is another brand. I basically call it makeup for hair, where you sprinkle it on. It really thickens your hair up and covers any thinning areas. So prevention and cosmetics are the way to go at your age.